Is your home Wi-Fi a total nightmare? We're Simple Home Solutions, and we've got the fix.
So let's get real. Are you totally fed up with Wi-Fi dead spots in your house? You walk into a room and poof, the signal is just completely gone.
And trying to stream anything? That buffering wheel is the worst. Just a total nightmare, right? Your internet provider probably gives you the same old excuses, but that's not the real story.
But here's the thing, it's usually their cheap router or even just your home's thick walls. So what's the actual solution to all this? Well, there's a modern fix for that.
It's called a mesh Wi-Fi system. It literally blankets your entire home with a strong signal.
What does that mean for you? No more dead zones. You're always connected as you move around. And getting it is so easy. Our simple 3-step process makes it an absolute breeze. It's time to say goodbye to bad Wi-Fi and get a simple solution that actually works. Ready for Wi-Fi that just works? Give us at Simple Home Solutions a call. Let's chat.